Hi everybody, my name is Ryan Haar and this is my Module 1 presentation. So I am from Pueblo, Colorado. It's about 2 hours south of Denver. I'm 33 years old, and at the end of this month my wife Colby and I will be married for 10 years. Together we have our 5-year-old daughter named Sadie. I'm currently a student social studies teacher at Dutch Clark Digital, which is an online school here in Pueblo, Colorado. I just finished my 7th year of teaching. I'm also the assistant head football coach at Pueblo South High School, which this upcoming season will be my 14th year of coaching. For my education background here, like I said, I am a student social studies teacher at Dutch Clark Digital, an online high school in Pueblo, Colorado for Pueblo District 60. This was my 7th year of teaching. I've spent 5 years of my teaching career at Dutch Clark Digital, and the other 2 years were at Pueblo South High School. Both schools was a social studies teacher. I'm the assistant head football coach and offensive run game coordinator at Pueblo South High School. I'm also the offensive line coach. Graduated from Colorado State University Pueblo with a bachelor's degree in history and education. Then went on to get my first master's degree from the University of Northern Colorado in sports coaching, and this is my second master's degree in building administration. So there are 3 types of communication. You have oral, which can be phone calls. We send out school audio messaging systems, the district audio message system, also face-to-face. The second type of communication is written communication, emails, notes, agendas, and then you have digital communication, which is the school website, the district website, and also, which is pretty big in today's day and age, is the social media pages. The most frequently used communication styles at my school, our most frequent type of communication is digital. We are an online school, so a lot of our students will stay home and do their work. We do offer tutoring sessions and in-person classes at our school, but we do also stream those so that students that are working online are able to have that. So we are sending out tons of information via our different learning management systems. We communicate with students and parents on either Google Meets or Zoom meetings, and we also get a lot of information out on our webpage, and we do use our social media pages quite a bit. The next type of communication that we use the most would be oral. Staff meetings, student meetings. We utilize phone calls to parents a lot. We use our school messaging system. It'll send out automated calls to parents to inform them of upcoming events that are happening at the school or within the district. And then I think our least used form of communication is written. We do email with staff, students, and parents. We will create flyers to put out, but being an online school, majority of our stuff is digital. So some of the different platforms that are provided for us, obviously we have email, the phone messaging system, and Google services. Our district is powered by Google, so Google Drive, Google Classroom. We have a lot of different Google services provided by the district. The free modes of communication that we have are the social media pages, and then purchased for either the district or by our school directly are our learning management systems. We have Canvas, which is what houses all of our learning management systems. We have everything linked into Canvas. Apex Learning is a way that we're able to have an online curriculum, and so when they get into Canvas, they'll click into Apex and get to their classes. Reading Plus is a program that will help our students increase their reading level and comprehension level. And Alex Math is a math system that we have that is it takes you step by step through different topics in algebra and geometry for our students. Tools that I wish that we could use, but we can't. I wish we could use text messaging. with the students. I believe that if we were able to text with students and parents, it'd be a great way to get information out. And a lot of our students are more comfortable communicating in this manner. I think it's great that we do have them, call us on the phone and talk to us, or talk to us in person. It is a very important skill that we need. But there's a lot of students that before they get to that comfortable level of being able to talk with people, a lot of times texting is a little bit easier for them to do. So I think that would be a nice stepping stone to kind of build a relationship with the student, especially at our school. Being it online, sometimes it's a little bit more difficult not being able to see them face to face. And do I follow a set of district strategies for policies and communicating effectively? Yes. I feel that the district policies for communication effectively meet all of the different stakeholders. We don't have like a set in stone policy, but we do use the tools provided by the school and the district, and you use common sense and professionalism throughout that. As far as introductions go, as a new building leader, I would want to make sure that I show that I'm human just like everybody else. And I'm on the same team as everybody within the building, trying to solve the same problems that we're all facing. I want to be relatable, trustworthy, and approachable for everybody there. I want to be able to, not just make it a professional relationship, but I want to have a personal relationship with my staff, and share information about my family and the interests that I have. So that it's not a constant just talking about school and things that need to be done, but we're able to have a personal relationship as well. Make sure that I do provide information for everybody, but I keep it concise to where I'm not just dragging it on. And there's also setting parameters within the school. As far as staff goes, I want to be able to be on a first name basis with everybody else, but when we're around students, we're going to address ourselves in a professional way, Mr., Mrs., Ms., or Doctor, whatever it may be. Here's the correlations for the module. Thank you guys, and I hope to have a great class with you guys, and I look forward to learning with you.